Before a start it, of tratak practice, you have to sit a longer period of time. All the content available on the YouTube, they all say you to practice initially 5 to 10 minutes. But if you really want to a committed result, then in a single stretch, practice it for 20 minutes. And to sit consistently 20 minutes will be difficult in the initial stage. So, my advice you to dear viewers, if you want to practice immediately and want to sit longer, do some push-ups or pull-up exercise before sitting 20 minutes on the asanas. That will improve your capability to sit longer. Apart from this, do at least 30 to 40 deep breathing. This will help you to your catharsis and wipe out all your negativity, and you will sit longer. In the next video I will tell about which tratak to start and how to start. Till then, please share, subscribe and comment in my video. Thank you for viewing the channel.